It was a time when the engineering of these beautiful flying beasts was an unreachable dream to the Indian students. Not many engineering colleges in the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh regions knew of what the education of aeronautical engineering was and what it could do to the country. We were the proud first in the region to launch the education of aeronautical engineering. In the year 2000, in the then undivided state of Andhra Pradesh, IARE took birth. Institute of Aeronautical Engineering was the first engineering college with the state-of-art infrastructure to run the program of aeronautical engineering effectively. IARE expanded to other areas of engineering education as well. Now IARE is offering undergraduate and postgraduate programs in aeronautical engineering, computer science engineering, information technology, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. IARE is the only engineering college in the region with such extremely high standard infrastructural and academic facilities, from laboratories to libraries, from highly qualified faculty to safe conveyance systems, from industry exposure to campus placements, from sports to cultural activities. IARE has set new standards and became the envy of several educational groups across the country. With over 35,000 most important volumes related to various engineering disciplines, international journals, publications, periodicals, CD-ROMs, IARE has one of the best library establishments among the engineering colleges in the state. Sophisticated library management system and well-qualified librarians make the search for the right books an easy task for the students. The library is decently ventilated, well lit, and has all the necessary infrastructure to make reading a calm and serious learning experience.
This is basically the best library I have ever been to in my life, because you find in international journals, new arrivals, as well as different magazines related to technical as well as non-technical stuff. If you come here, you'll definitely find the resources which you need for making any kind of project in your technical life. You have digital library facilities as well as group discussions. So it's basically, you love this library for any kind of work you need to do.
Apart from the greatest facilities that we have in our library, one place that relieves us from tension during examinations is library. This is a very spacious one and it is very ventilated. The atmosphere here is very calm and it keeps us focused during examinations. The best place for any group studies is our library. With around thousands of books around, we can pick up any one, clear our doubts, and this is an easy way of scoring distinction in the examinations.
Laboratories at IARE are the powerhouses for all the learning and research carried out at the engineering college. All the engineering departments at IARE have fully equipped laboratories. Aeronautical Engineering Department itself has 3 prestigiously equipped laboratories. We are right now in the avionics laboratory of the Aeronautical Engineering Department.
And we have, this lab has been filled with almost like all the instruments we can see in the avionics bay as well as in the instrument panel of Indian aircraft. This actually facilitates the students to understand what exactly the avionics system is all about and the instruments which they have to come across when they come to the avionics section of any aircraft. And you can see we have the instruments starting from the simple sensors, when the gyroscopes, the test beds, and including, it has come all the way to the FDR, that means flight data recorder, the black box we call it all. And these things will make them understand what exactly the avionics is all about, the basic studies, and they will make it well equipped to be an aeronautical engineer.
Now we are entering to our engineering college aeronautical branch engine laboratory, where we are proud to say we are having a good number of actual engine components. Engines are available, which is proud to say every student can able to understand the actual engine. They can feel how the engine is going to be working, and each individual components, for example, that is a Canberra engine. These are a gearbox where you can able to see, identify, and the student can actually feel how the component is going to be working. And this is also going to show you an engine, another engine, which is a trainer engine. It is having very rare to observe such a type of engine in the skipped form. Therefore, people able to understand how the internal structure is there. This we are going to provide you. And also we are having another type of engine, which we will call this one as your piston type or reciprocating aircraft engine, which is run with your propeller and all this one. And also not only the engine itself, we are having individual components also. We can able to show how each individual component is going to be assembled, how their shapes are there. We are having to project and to show the student, and we can make them to understand along with their theoretical class knowledge, imposing the practical knowledge also.
When I came to IRE in my BTech first year, I felt like, oh come on, this is also similar to all the other colleges in engineering, where I'll have only books, diagrams, etc. But when I saw these airplanes, engines, and when my faculty explains me what is exactly happening in that engines, makes me feel that, wow, this is the place where I should do my aeronautical engineering.
This actually aircraft structures lab, where actual aircraft of Iskra aircraft made Poland, that is brought to Indian Air Force and flown for 29 years. The same parts have been brought here to show everything. What are all the actually in designing, what are all the things we can show. That here everything we will be explaining clearly to understand each and everything. How actually aerodynamics is applied and designed and manufactured the aircraft structures.
The computer science engineering and the information technology departments have massive computer labs with high configurated computer systems and software essentials. IARE is proud to have invested in building such huge laboratory facilities for various departments.
Laboratories are present in every engineering college, but at IARE, these laboratories are not just places where students undergo practical training. Here we have students researching on various real-time projects. Here we have training sessions organized by various corporate companies like IBM, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, TCS, Microsoft. Here students learn more than their regular curriculum and become industry ready even before they step out of the college.
Today, IARE laboratories have so much more than what is stipulated by JNTU as acceptable normal standards and requirements for any engineering college in the state.
This is basically high technology cell. Here normally this is used for our all advanced projects and all machining activities. And you are going to now looking at this CNC machining center, which is actually very costly equipment. Normally you will not find in any other colleges. This is very helpful for students in understanding the manufacturing processes, latest advanced technologies and high level manufacturing activities. Basically we won't find any this kind of machine anywhere else. And this is a CNC turning center. In this shaft manufacturing and other activities can be done. Here we have the hydraulic circuitry, where students are exposed to the hydraulics. Basically this is not even there in the syllabus.
Students here work on real-time projects to gain hands-on experience on industry standard machinery. Various departments even have equipments to demonstrate advanced engineering concepts which are not even present in the regular curriculum. Laboratories at IARE are places where students learn to think beyond a normal placement in an MNC. Over years, we have seen true entrepreneurs taking birth in these laboratories, thanks to IARE.